I'm Laura Unsell with Seattle Yachts, and I'm excited to bring you my new listing. This is Sea Smoke, a 2007 55 Novatec Islander. This is a really cool boat because Nova Marine has been building boats since 1984, and they're still building boats today. One of the things it does is the boat can do the loop, so that's a great feature. And the boat is also built as a coastal cruiser, and I'm excited to show you all the features and benefits that this boat has. Let's go in and take a look. As we enter the salon and galley area, the entrance to the master is here on the right-hand side. This is a really cool area because it's separate from the rest of the boat. So whoever's in the master stateroom has privacy. As we step into the galley area, this is amazing. We have abundance of storage. We've got a full-size refrigerator. We've got a cooktop, microwave, garbage disposal. This is a really great area for cooking and for the cook, for whoever's in the galley. And it gets to be with everybody here in the salon. So it's a great space for entertaining, lots of counter space. Can you imagine being out cruising and getting back to the dock and having all of this space to relax? You've got this combined salon galley area. A few steps down from here, you have two staterooms, the VIP and the guest stateroom, and then you have an ensuite head for the VIP and a guest head. This boat has a lot of air conditioning spaces to hang out. We just left the salon area that was air conditioned. We're here on the aft deck that is air conditioned. And now let's go check out the fly bridge. It's also air conditioned. We've seen so many cool features. This boat seems so much bigger than 55 feet. We've seen 3 air-conditioned areas to hang out. We've seen the full beam master stateroom with its own private entrance. We've seen the gorgeous helm area that makes cruising this boat a dream. I'm really looking forward to sharing more information with you about Sea Smoke. I'm Laura Unsell with Seattle Yachts, and I'm looking forward to talking to you more about this boat and all the great features and why Sea Smoke checks all of the boxes.